Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take another look at SLP coin. This is a price prediction. I'm going to look and see if there's any potential here, okay? But I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do what I did on Jasmine, what I did yesterday. I'm going to do it on the one-day chart. Typically, I do it on the 4-hour chart because I see bigger swings that can be made. But because we're in a bear market and things are lingering kind of low and staying down there for a while, I'm going to change it to the one-day chart so I can get quicker profits, okay? For those of you guys that are new, I jump into trades. I'll let you follow me on my journey. I let you know why I'm choosing my entries and my exits. Okay. So if that's something you want to see, you're probably going to see some stuff you haven't seen before. So keep watching. All right. And remember, guys, if you have friends that you think might be interested, remember to send them a link to it too. Okay. Hold on. Let me get over to the chart. Okay. This is the chart. All right. This is SLP. There's the price 013. So for those of you guys that are new, I always have to explain this to you. Those of you guys that have watched me for a while understand it. What I do is I draw bases on charts. You can see some here. And what happens more often than not is when price action drops below those bases, it'll usually swing back up, which lets you know where the dip is, right? They always say, buy the dip, buy low, sell high, right? So you can take the profit. So like right here, here's a base. I could have bought anywhere in here and I could have rode it back up, okay, to that line, okay? Let's see, let's go do some more. Let's go find the next bases to prove my methodology. Here's a base, it broke it, short one, came right back up. Blow this sucker up a little bit more. Okay, right here, broke that base, swung down, I could have jumped anywhere near, and I could have rode it back up to that line. And see, like over here, it went even higher, but over here, it basically hit and then came back right back down, okay? So there was one right there. Here's another one, broke it, it came back up. Here's another one, broke it, came back up. This one up here broke, came back way over here. This one it broke, came way over here, okay? Let's keep going. Broke right there, swung back up. It broke this base, this base, this base, this base, this base, and all came back up, okay? It broke that base and came back up. So this is kind of where we're at. So if you guys are seeing some stuff that you haven't seen before, please, right over kind of in this area below this video right now, there's a thumbs up icon. If you could please quickly just click it with your mouse or tap it with your finger, it helps me. YouTube starts to recommend my videos to other people, okay? And it lets me know that you guys are appreciating what kind of topics I'm showing, okay? All right, so let me keep sharing my screen. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm seeing on a one-day chart. The price is at 0.013. The date right now is the 27th of April. It's 8:22 p.m. Pacific time. And I see short take profits all the way up to here. And you guys can feel free to write these down so you can help you with your own due diligence. 0.019, we're at 0.013. You should be able to get back there fairly good. This is only my opinion, not advice. So it's how I trade. Here's another take profit, 0.029. Here's another one, 0.034. Here's another one, 0.037. On a longer term hold, because this broke all the way back in December, we should be able to get back up to 0.06. Now, remember, for those of you guys that are new or have been watching me for a while, typically what I say is the top, which I'm considering right here, I do not set my take profit above it, okay? I typically say that, but I'm talking on the one-day chart, okay? If this was a 4-hour chart, I would not set it above. But since it's a one-day chart, I feel confident that I could choose here, or I could choose kind of up in here, somewhere up in there. But I might have to wait a while because price action may go like this, da da da, da da dee, and then finally get up there, and then drop down, and then go like this, and then drop down, and then maybe make its way up, and then finally, get up here. So maybe that could be like the August time frame. Who knows? Maybe it could be a lot quicker, but there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now. And who knows? I feel very confident about crypto. The only thing I don't feel confident about is what's going on in the world with the financial markets. So people are talking about the stock market going bye-bye. They're talking about Bitcoin going bye-bye. They're talking about a lot of coins most of the coins disappearing in the future. So, there's certain coins that they're talking about keeping. And these are some of the ones that I've been hearing about. This is not advice. This is only my opinion on what I'm seeing. I'm seeing some of these, okay? Some of these. And I think there's more. There's probably around 20 that I'm hearing. I don't know all what the other 20 are. I'm trying to research it. No one really knows, but I do have a high investment on these two coins. I also own this one, and I own this one, and I own a bunch of other ones, okay? For those of you guys that are, hold on a second. Stop share. Okay, here we go. For those of you guys that are stuck in on coins right now, or you're stuck in on stocks, let me know. Let me know where you're at. You're maybe feeling like, God, I've been in this trade forever and it's not swinging around. Is there a chance for me to be able to take profit? I'll take a look at it, and based upon how I do things, I'll say, I feel you could keep holding and probably make a profit. Or I'll say, you're kind of at the high end in what the way I trade. And maybe what you might want to do is, think of an alternative, maybe buy in low and let it ride up high, and then average the two. Take a loss on the first one, take a win on the second one, and then average and see if you're still in the green. And you can play with the numbers and to figure out where you need to sell at so that you're in the green. Okay. All right. So add a comment down below and let me know. I'll respond to you guys. And then what I'll do is, hold on, let me get back over here. Okay. What I'll do oftentimes is I'll come over here to my Instagram channel. And it's called Investing Points. So go over to Instagram if you have it, search for my username right up here, Investing Points with an S, follow me over there. And then you guys can look down here. These are people that have asked me to do price predictions. So if I don't have time to do a long one, I'll do a short one, a 1 minute one. Now that you understand how I'm picking points, you guys can come in here and look at stuff. And you can say, oh, I recognize Sol. I've bought Sol before and I'm thinking about doing again. What's the most recent price prediction you've done? And you guys can watch it. Okay. Just all I ask, guys, is if you have friends, here's Sushi, Spell. All I ask is if this helps you out, please, forward a copy of one of these videos to one of your friends that's in crypto, okay? Just so others can learn about me. Last thing, here's my spreadsheet. I'll give you guys a copy of my spreadsheet. I track all my trades, okay? I basically come in here, I highlight, if I'm getting ready to jump into a trade, I highlight it, and then I paste it right here. Okay, let me just paste it. And then what I do is I come in here and I change the coin name, I change the date, I come in here, I only change the things in yellow. So I come in here and I put my entry price in, let's say it's 30 cents. I put my exit price in here, let's say it's 50 cents. And then now I say, oh, based upon a 30-cent entry and a 50-cent exit, and I'm investing $500, I'll make $333. But if I want to come in here and I want to say, you know what, I want to invest $750, then watch this green area, watch it change. Boom, I make $500. And it tells me how many coins right here I need to buy over on the exchange, okay? Some people have a lot of money. Some people say, I'm gonna put 5 grand in there. Boom, okay? And you see what percentage of profit you're making. Then as these things clear, you can come over here and type cleared. So you can keep track, okay? Look at the ones up here. These are the ones that I'm in right now, okay? I may end up altering some of these based upon a 4-day chart. So you can see my entries, you can see my exits, how much I have invested, what my potential profit is going to be. I don't set stop losses. I don't get nervous. I don't jump out of trades quickly anymore. But you can see, here's a bunch that have cleared. Right in there, there's a bunch of them cleared. Here's 3 more. And then I've got, I think, a couple over here, right there. And then I've got a whole bunch in here. So you guys can see that I'm making money. Plus, and then up here, I've been doing it for a while, ever since the pandemic started. See all the green? Some of the reds were due to stop losses, still refining my method. And I jumped out of trades early because I got nervous. But once I did, on a bunch of times, when I jumped in out of trades because everything dropped so much, let me share with you guys this. What I would do is, something like this. Let me get rid of this. Hold on a second. Stay with me, guys. Okay. If it was like this and you didn't know how long this thing's going to last, okay? And you're like, oh my God, it's never going to last. And I would jump out because I get nervous it's going to keep dropping. What I would do as soon as I dropped out, a couple months later, this thing would shoot up and it would touch that line again. So I realized I don't need to sell early. I need to sit back and relax, okay? So if you guys want a copy of the spreadsheet, send me a DM message over here on my Instagram, Investing Points, and just provide your email address and say, hey, can you send me this chart, okay? Just remember to add the email address because I don't know where to send it. I have a bunch of people lately that aren't putting it in there, and that's fine, but I just have to reply to you and say, I need your email address, okay? Also, lastly, if you guys click on my username after this video, you'll come to here. And if you click on the videos tab, you'll see all my price predictions. You guys can come in here and look, okay? And what I do is when they take profit, I'll do them like here in green. I don't know what I'm doing there with my do, but anyway, there's a price prediction, took profit, took profit, took profit. I got a whole bunch in here, took profit, just like you guys saw on the spreadsheet, took profit again, took profit, okay? So please let your friends know about my channel, forward them a copy of one of the videos, and remember to subscribe over here. There's a red button, just click it. And then when the bell pops up, smack it with your mouse, so that you know, or so you mark all so that you're notified. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. Remember, add comments down below. I do respond, and a lot of people online don't respond anymore, but my channel's still growing. So I can keep on top of it. All right. Thanks guys for watching. And I'm going to go back to the beach. No, just kidding. I was there about 2 months ago. All right. Take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.